Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you saw in the last video, we completely detailed the interior of the truck, but the seats are still out of it. And in today's video, we have both the driver and passenger seat that we're going to be recovering in new leather, which I've already done, but you're going to see in the video that the transformation is absolutely incredible. And then we also have a rear bench seat right here that is in very good condition. We're going to be replacing the old one, which had burn marks in it, cuts. So the interior is going to look completely brand new when we're done. So let's get into it. Okay, so obviously you guys can tell that something burnt the leather on this seat. It's all cut up here. This seat's super worn, and there's really no point in trying to clean these because they aren't going to look that good because you can't get burn marks out of the seats. So what I'm going to be doing is taking all this leather off of here, and then I have new leather that's going to be going back onto the seats. So we're going to start the process of disassembling the seat so we can get some new leather on there. So let's get started. Okay, so we finally finished recovering the seats. One of the things I did while redoing the driver's seat was I put some extra foam in, because over time the seat kind of got, that old foam got smushed, and that way if I put the new leather on it, there would have just been like a gap right there. But I'm really happy with how these seats turned out. They look brand new. So let's get these reinstalled into the truck and finish this up. All right, so now that we have the front seats installed, let's open up this rear seat and get this thing installed in the truck. All right, so the last interior piece that we're going to be replacing is going to be the leather for the center console, which we have a brand new one here. So let's get this installed. All right, so we just finished installing the new armrest. It looks absolutely incredible in here with the new seats, the new armrest, the new used rear seat, and the very thorough deep cleaning. I'm absolutely amazed by how this truck turned out. And it was totally worth it to get these new seat covers on here, because it just changes the look of everything and makes it look really great. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the transformation of this truck from being very disgustingly dirty to now being pretty much brand new on the inside. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more.